Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now before we proceed any further, just make sure that your light looks like the one I'm showing over here. If it's any different, then the process is going to be different for you. So if yours looks like this, the way to do it is we'll access it from the wheel liner. Turn the wheel all the way towards the left if you're working on the right side light, and all the way to the right if you're working on the left side light. So just turn it inwards basically. Once you turn it inwards, we're going to take those two clips off, one over there and the second one there. My second one is missing. I will need a flathead screwdriver and a pliers, likely, not sure, but definitely a screwdriver to take the clips off. Just twist it left and then you should be able to pull it out with your hands. If not, then just get a plier and use that to pull the clips out. Now you can peel back the liner and get your hand in there. Just like that. Now inside there, the black bulb holder, that's the one for the side marker bulb. Not the gray one, the one above it, the black one. Yep, that's one. So what we have to do is twist it left to loosen it. Right now it's tight. Left, now it's loose. At this point we can just grab the bulb holder and get it out of the light housing. It should just slide right out. And the wire over there is long enough that you can get it out like this. Now just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is right there on it. W5W, 168 or 194, it's all the same. Get the new bulb, align it, push it in. And now let's put the bulb holder back in the housing. When you're doing so, you may have to twist and turn it a few times before it actually drops in. Right now it's not sitting properly. See, it's sticking out. So just be patient with it. Do some twisting and turning and actually get it to sit in properly like this. Now that's looking good. At this point what we'll do is just twist your right, just the reverse of what we did to take it off. Just twist your right to lock it in place and that is looking good. That's pretty much it. Now let's just put the liner back in its place and put the clips on. Again, my one clip is missing, so I don't have to do that. I just have to put this one clip on, align the two holes and push it in, and that's pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Hope you found the video useful.